Hello everyone, I'm Lou. We're in Monroe, New York, outside my home, where Garden State Koi has just finished installing a 30-foot waterfall and a fairly nice sized pond. It was unbelievable. From start to finish, they did it all in 2 weeks. It was a total transformation. You can't imagine that before this job it was just overgrown land with dirt and rocks and tree stumps on it, and now it's been transformed into an ecosystem. It's actually better than the original vision. I mean, they did exactly what I wanted, but they found ways to improve on it. It's just remarkable. The neighbors keep coming by. Everybody loves it. I love it. I'm spending more. The only problem is I'm spending too much time out here and not getting enough work done now.